Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
O Menteri Sarkar bakmi yakatnat ki kam jngok kai partai hakani ke jela, o ba met ba lingdo. Haka arba pratrek mata bna jeliu arhajar kat khandai ula play paj ba ya ke Jingïathir ya ke balatem kum ke North East Conclave 2019 halor ka phang padang banwara ya ke jing Pynkylla ya ki jela jongani ka than chitela mingi jongkari India Lyngba ka Science and Technology ya ke bala pelong da ka Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development ha State Convention Center Shillong Jingïathir ya tai hakani ke lempong ke ba Sngi ki kenthum ya ki khrau parkhat bat ki pro jabeng ki balawan mi khmat na ka Scientific Research Institute ba pher jongkari India hakani ke jelang play ya kani ke lempong lai don langru u Director General jongka Council for Scientific and Industrial Research haka joga por u bolongru u Secretary jongka Department of Scientific and Industrial Research jongka Sarkar Pdeng u Dr. Shekhar C. Mande Nangta u Chief Executive Officer jongka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority u balongru u Commissioner and Secretary jongka Sarkar Meghalaya u Sampat Kumar u Advisor jongka Department of Biotechnology ke Sarkar Pdeng u Dr. Muhammad Aslam u Director jongka IBSD u Professor Dina Bandhu Sahu ki he Sarkar bat lawan mensngap hakani ke conclave taki khana skol ba ki samla pulia jongki college ba per nakani kanong ba shullo
I congratulate the Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development under the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, for organizing this 2 days Northeast Conclave 2019 on the theme of transforming Northeast India through science and technology here at Shillong. This 2-day session, today and tomorrow, I am very much aware that all of you who are here will definitely debate and come out with a concrete plan and suggestions on the subject that you have already put forward. As we are all aware that Northeast India, especially all the 8 northeastern states of India, comprises about 8% of India's geographical area and around 4% of the country population that we contribute. I would like to say that, however, despite the richness of the natural resources, several states of the Northeast still we lag behind. Compared to the rest of the country, in terms of socio-economic development. However, in the fast pace of technology and consumer-driven world, we need to keep our head and heart together in the right place so that our ecology becomes our springboard of economic transformation and leapfrogging in real progress. We all know that data-driven and external policy-driven directions of development would make us externally policy-driven directions of development would make us externally dependent on technology devoid of human values and human development. So we need to have a global perspective with a local focus. Which is a very, very First area that each and every one of us has to dwell on